Hey buds. So we all make mistakes, and one of mine was to hang on to these apples a little too long. And I don't want them to go to waste, so I'm going to try making a recipe today called caramel coffee apple jam. Now, I don't think it's probably going to win any nutritional awards, but I'm hoping it'll be a way to rescue these in a tasty way for us. First thing we need are 5 cups of cut up apples. So we're going to be taking the cores out but leaving the skins on. There we go. So the next thing that we need is 2 cups of strongly brewed coffee. Okay, so we're going to add our 5 cups of apples and our freshly brewed coffee into a large pot. Then we will bring it to a boil and let it simmer for 10 minutes or so until the apples are nice and soft. Now that our apples are all soft and smelling delicious, we are going to run them through a food mill to remove the skins. But those skins are some of the best part, as you know from watching my channel, if you do. And so I think I'm probably going to freeze the leftover skins in a Ziploc bag and throw them into smoothies or a cobbler later on. I'm pretty sure this is what breakfast is supposed to smell like. Yes, alternatively, if you don't have a food mill, you could peel the apples at the start, and then at this stage you could just blend them using an immersion blender or a regular blender. Alright, so now we're going to whisk in a package of pectin, about 4 tablespoons, and a half teaspoon of allspice, and bring that up to a rolling boil. Once we have a full boil that you can't stir down, we're going to add in 2 cups of brown sugar. Stir to dissolve the sugar and bring it back up to a full boil. Once it's there, we will stir continuously for 1 minute. Alright, and then after a minute, we'll remove from the heat. And you can ladle it into your sterilized jars. Okay, so now we have our tasty jam, and we are going to just ladle it into pre-sterilized jars. Now, if you're going to use it up right away, you could probably just put it in the fridge, but I am going to put mine through a water bath so that it can be stored. Life is better with a canning funnel. And we want to leave at least a 1/4 inch of headspace, so I have a little bit more than I need, but that is what you're aiming for. So here is our finished product. I'm not sure why. It's a little bit runnier than I would have expected it to be. Don't know if my apples didn't bring their pectin to the party or if I overdid it with the water bath somehow. If you know the answers, you can put it in the comments below. If you find similarly, you can always thicken it up again with more pectin or cornstarch or add some chia seeds or something like that. But I think it'll also make a delicious sauce for on top of desserts or anything really. So enjoy your caramel apple coffee jam.